In this video, we will learn how to factorize using synthetic division. Let us understand this by an example. Example 1. Here we can see that x minus 4 is a factor of fx and we have to factorize using x minus 4 by, let us understand this by synthetic division. For that, first we draw two crisscross lines and then take all the coefficients of fx. That is 2 is the coefficient of x cube, plus 1 is of x square, minus 26 is of x, and minus 40 is the constant. So this is how we list all the coefficient and constant. Now we know that we have to divide this by x minus 4, means x minus 4 is the factor. So we will write here 4. Why? Because x minus 4 is the factor. X minus 4 equal to 0, so x will be 4. So now using this, let us see how we can divide. So always put a 0 under the first digit whatever you got. Here 2 is the first digit, so we will place 0 under that. Now add vertically. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now multiply this 2 with 4. 4 2s are 8 and place it under the second digit. That is here. Now again add vertically. 1 plus 8 is 9. Now multiply. 9 fours are 36. Place it over here. Now again add vertically. Minus 26 plus 36 gives us 10. Now multiply with 4. 10 fours are 40. So that will be our last number, and we know that minus 40 plus 40 gives us 0. Listen, last always we should get 0. If you are not getting 0, check it out. Maybe your calculation is wrong. Now how do we represent this in terms of factors? So fx is equal to the first factor x minus 4 was given, so that we write it down as it is. And for second bracket, we will use what we have got as end product of synthetic division. Here it is 2, so we will write 2x square. Here it is 9, so we will write plus 9x. Here it is 10, so we will write plus 10. So the second bracket we will get from the synthetic division, that is 2x square plus 9x plus 10. Now we know how to split this by using splitting the middle term. So we will factorize the second bracket using splitting the middle term. 2 tens are 20 and 4 fives are 20. Using that, splitting the middle term, we will factorize the second bracket and reach the answer. And the final answer is fx is equal to x minus 4, x plus 2 and 2x plus 5. This is how you can use synthetic division when a factor is given. Let us see one more example. Example 2. Here we see that 2x minus 3 is a factor of fx, and we have to factorize this using synthetic division. The same as we have seen in the previous, across line, take all the coefficient of fx, that is 2 plus 3 minus 5 minus 6, right? Now 2x minus 3 is the factor. So what will be x? X will be equal to 3 by 2. So here we will do the synthetic division by 3 by 2. As seen in the previous example, always to place 0 under the first digit whatever we get. So we are placing 0 under 2. Now add vertically. 2 plus 0 gives us 2. Now multiply 3 by 2 with 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Hence we will get 3. Again add vertically. We will get 6. Multiply 6 with 3 by 2. We will get 9. Minus 5 plus 9 gives us 4. We are adding vertically, so that we get 4. Now again 4 multiplied by 3 by 2, we will get 6. And again if we add vertically, minus 6 and plus 6 gives us 0. As seen previously, we should get 0 at the end to check whether we are doing it correctly or not. Now let us put in terms of factors. Fx is equal to, our first factor was x minus 3 by 2. Be careful. We have divided by 3 by 2, so we will write it as x minus 3 by 2, not 2x minus 3, right? The second bracket as seen earlier, 2, so 2x square, 6, so plus 6x, 4, so plus 4. Now what we will do? We will simplify the first bracket by taking LCM, and in second bracket we can see that 2 is common. Let us do this. So here if we take LCM, we will get 2x minus 3 upon 2. Second bracket, if I remove 2 common, I will get inside x square plus 3x plus 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So after that cancellation, what do we get? This is what we get. Fx is equal to 2x minus 3, x square plus 3x plus 2. Now second bracket, if I have to simplify using splitting the middle term, what will I get? This is what I get. That is fx is equal to x minus 4, x plus 2 and x plus 1. This is how you can factorize using synthetic division. Thank you.